Welcome to the next video of Wood Truck channel. In today's video, we will explore special technological equipment that supports the wood exploitation process. This machine is specially designed to transport heavy timber through difficult terrain. Easy to operate, helps you transfer wood from harvest site to processing site even in large scale without worrying about comfort and safety. Spacious cabin with safety measures such as anti-rollover structure. You can control the machine easily from the cab and enjoy exceptional visibility. With enhanced load capacity and superior traction. This is the Tiger Cat 635H, a powerful chain arm-equipped vehicle that combines the power and precision of a harvester with the versatility of a swing arm. The unique design allows for efficient tree harvesting in limited spaces and can operate on steep terrain and other demanding applications. The machine automatically clears and widens gaps for power lines or clears wood for planting. With easy operation, the vehicle has a weight of up to 1,000 kilograms and a powerful hydraulic system for its size. The places it passes through will be neatly cleaned. The PLMAX is a device specifically designed for mechanical planting of forestry seedlings. It is built on an EOG forwarder and includes a center-mounted Hera-shaped tiller. The operator sits in the back, controlling the planting of seeds into the two planting arms of the machine. This arm can be positioned to plant every 3 seconds. The seedling hopper can hold from 10 to 20,000 seedlings, depending on the size of the seedling. With a performance of more than 40 seedlings per minute under ideal conditions, it is an important tool in increasing forestry seedling production. This is a mechanical device that specializes in drilling out log tree stumps, and it does it easily. Next, we have the Rotten H8D, a multi-purpose harvester specifically designed to operate in a standing position. With its compact design, it can easily make its way through the forest without harming any unwanted trees. With high power and fast soil recovery, the 724G becomes the ideal choice for very demanding logging operations. The machine's improved weight distribution and balance deliver outstanding felling performance on difficult terrain. Next up is the mulcher for 8OB Tiger, a jumbo monster capable of traversing even the roughest terrain. The sturdy construction ensures long durability and reliable uptime, especially considering the duration and large scale of the project. Tiger Cat has equipped a 480 horsepower level 4 engine to ensure fast load response, low operating costs and excellent power density, while maintaining good fuel efficiency. Pond's Bear is considered one of the most effective jumbo machines today. With a powerful engine reaching 340 horsepower and 1,300 Nm of torque, this machine boasts flexible operation. The machine crane can rotate up to 250 and tilt up to 80, ensuring flexibility in mining operations. This vehicle is equipped with a support arm, helping to easily pick up wood onto the vehicle without needing support from other vehicles. This is great for not only transporting wood, but also making it convenient and efficient to take it up and off the truck. This is the end of the journey to discover machines for logging work. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with interesting information in the next episode. Hello and see you soon.